There's no denying it. Having money sure is awesome. But if you're broke, you're left having to think outside the box. You can keep these if you want. I don't need them all anyway. Which would you rather be? I love Mondays. Who wants to work a job anyway? Hi there. What type of massage would you like today? Your wish is my command, miss. Let's go. Those tootsies will be relaxed in no time. Oh, I'm already there. This sure feels great. That's it? Let's extend it another hour. This rubbing's getting so boring. Now we're talking. I will destroy you. That's nice. Tickle, tickle. Alright, I'm about hitting my limit here. I'm in no position to say no to more money. Wow, that movie really was awesome. Wasn't it? Want a drink? Be right back. These shoes are killing me. Sweet relief. Why'd I have to wear heels? I sure could use a massage. Oh, yeah. But I can't afford luxuries like that. Are those marbles? In the plant? I bet I can make this work. Start by putting marbles in each hole. Then use hot glue to keep them all in place. You can have fun with different colors. Doesn't it look awesome so far? Now pop it out of the mold. All done! Relief is on the way! And I don't even need a masseuse! Whoa, that feels great! Whoa, here's your soda. What's going on in here? If you wore heels, you'd understand. These magazines are all the same. Wow! Look at that white sand! Of course. She can afford a beach vacation. Come here. You know what to do. Is this distance okay? Wide lens is probably best. Okay, let's see him. Yes, of course. I'd better look sun-kissed enough. I love vacation. I wish I could afford a getaway. Oh, Chloe? Why the long face? Instagram envy again, huh? Why do you torture yourself? My famous reheated hot dogs ought to cheer you up. Now, I'll be right back. I bet she doesn't eat stuff like this. Wait a minute. Looks like I'm headed to the beach. Virtually, anyway. Don't these look like my legs? Looks like I'm laying out under the sun. Awesome. What's going on in here? More beach pics, huh? I can do much better than that. Oh, classic tanning legs. Whatever. This morning's rough. Wait a minute. It's after 12 already? Wonder what's taking her so long. I totally lost track of time. But I can't just show up like this. I just need a little makeup. Okay, maybe a lot of makeup. When's the last time I cleaned this? Ooh, no wonder something breaking out. This is the worst morning ever. Wait, a balloon! I know exactly what to do. This thing's gonna save the day. Latex can serve as a great makeup sponge. See? It's looking better already. Almost done. I better get going. Hi! You look great. Oh, this is for you. Nothing beats sleeping in. Beauty rest does wonders for the skin. That's why I look so... Excuse me? What's going on? Go! Bad eggs? No! Sorry. Oh dear! That pimple is atrocious! Deep breath. Now get to work. This will be my greatest job yet. Just sit back and relax. I must stimulate the blood flow. This calls for the big guns. Luckily, I came prepared, and then some. Never underestimate a solid base. Just fill in the brows here, and gloss those lips. I've got to kick things into high gear. What do you think? Well, skin looks good. Flawless as usual. Bye-bye. What to wear, what to wear. Depends on what shoes I wear. Yep, pink it is. Or are they too bold? These! Not bold enough. Blech. Nope. Gross. Absolutely not. I guess I'll call in help. I bring you the perfect shoe. Made with real gold, of course. They're alright. What do I think about these? I guess they'll do. I really needed that shower. This shirt could be cleaner. Less choices means less drama. What about the shoes, though? I knew I should have washed them. These things look terrible. It'll totally ruin my whole look. But on second thought, this thing does more than keep your breath fresh. It can also whiten your shoes. A good scrub can do wonders. Don't forget the rubber soles. Once that's done, wipe everything down like this. Whoa! See how the dirt lifts right off? Check it out. I feel like $1,000,000. Think life would be a lot easier with loads of cash? It probably is. But with handy hacks in your back pocket, life can prove to be quite enjoyable, no matter how much you have in your bank account. Share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe to our channel.